So me and the kids have got chippy, and we got it somewhere different this time, so I'm going to show you what it looks like. Do you remember the paper? I love the paper. I don't know why. I mean, it's not just in paper. When I was 17, I want to say 17, I was working in a chip shop. I mean, it is in a box, granted, but... Oh, hang on. But, you know. Anyway, so when I worked in somewhere, it was just paper. So it was literally... Oh, I'm going to have to put the curry sauce on it. It's going to go everywhere. Going to have to get a plate. Right, getting to the point. When I worked there, we literally put it in like a little paper bag, scooped it in, then get a big scoop, and it was on a grease piece of paper, put it on that, wrapped it once in this paper, and then twice in newspaper. Fish and chips and newspaper, don't care what you say, it hits different, okay? So yes, it's wrapped in paper in here, but it's not like it was in the good old days. Anyway, so this is where we're at. This is different. These are nice too. So literally with the cheese. And it's melted a bit. Probably because that sort of sits out. This curry sauce is the bomb. Actually tastes like curry sauce. Do you know what I mean? Like an actual... Do you know what I mean by that? Like an Indian curry sauce. Like something nice. It's got spice to it. Should I pour or dip? I don't know. Let me just have some on its own. I think I'm going to pour. Right. It's going to go everywhere. I think my box is a bit demented. Oh my God, I've actually got some in there. Anyway, so this is what we've got for tea because Tommy had to go to an eye appointment. So I was like, kids, what are we doing? Pardon? I'm going to bring some in now. Anyway, so this is what it looks like. Bit of mayonnaise in this bit because you need mayonnaise. Bit more salt. And then I'm going to try it with you. And then I'm going to go over there and sit. I mean, Ellie's gone upstairs anyway because that's just what she does. But, huh? Hang on. Oh my God. That is actually with the mayonnaise. Look at that. Have you eaten? If you haven't, have something. Something's better than nothing. Right, I'm out. Give Tommy some more ketchup. One quick one. Can't beat chippy tea. Okay, gotta go. Have a good evening.